All right, thanks for taking those final seats, my friends. And with that being said, looks like we are about to be clear. Now, my friends, as we go in the jungle today, please make sure to remain seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times, and parents supervise your children. Now, I would like everybody to pick up your favorite hands and wave goodbye.
Bye.
To
Adios.
all the beautiful people still waiting in line. Bye, everyone. Aw, so nice. Now, everyone wave bye to the ugly ones.
Bye. Them too.
They know what they did. Now, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Hannah, and that is first name Skipper, last name Hannah, and I will be your skipper for as far as we can. Sorry. I meant to say I will be your skipper for the next 3.5 weeks. We are now approaching the Amazon rainforest, where it rains about 365 days a year. And I know what you're thinking. Wow, Skipper Hannah, that's almost every day. Now, quick boat orientation for those of y'all who have never been on a boat before. Everybody look up. That's the top of the boat. Everybody look down. That's the bottom of the boat.
Cool.
If any of those two things switch at any point, well, swim. Swim real fast. We are now traveling to the Congo River, so let's see how far we truly can go.
Good one.
Did you like that one?
That was good.
You should laugh next time. All right, so right behind me, we have the boat mates and bike shop, and as you can see, we have skippers here eating, drinking, having a great time, and oh yeah, no, looks like no one is here. How odd, maybe they've all gone fishing. At least I can't seem to see anyone. I don't know, honey, canoe? Yeah, me neither. I can't either. But coming up over here to my right-hand side, we have one of the pythons of the jungle. Now listen, they're harmless, they really are, as long as you don't get wrapped up in them. They can be really constricting. But don't worry, that's the only jump scare throughout the entire ride. Nothing else is going to scare you like that. Except for that. All right. But don't worry, my friends. Over here to my left-hand side, we have my in-laws. They're visiting from out of town. Everyone say hi, Susan.
Hi, Susan.
Oh, my goodness. Look what Susan did to my Jeep. She painted it blue. And she left the lights on, so I'll never get that thing to turn over now. Now, my friends, we are traveling through the Nile River.
Oh no.
Testing. Can y'all hear me?
No. No go.
It goes on for Niles. 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 Believe me, you're probably in this only. Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
Wonderful. All right. Now, these elephants can actually do tricks. Everybody watch this. Can we give those elephants a round of applause?
Yeah.
Really cool stuff. Now we're here in the Great African Belt, and as you can tell, there's some amazing animals here. So I will now point them out to you. Here we go.
This is better than the Busch Gardens Tampa Safari, brother. I've seen more animals.
That's all I got. And oh, look how sweet this is. It's a pack of lions taking care of a sweet sleeping zebra. That is so sweet. I can literally die.
Oh no.
Let's get out of here. Well, I hope that zebra's resting well. In peace. Sis. In lots of tiny pieces. But over here to my left-hand side, we have Skipper Felix. Everyone say hi, Skipper Felix.
Hi, Skipper Felix.
Now, a fun fact, Skipper Felix, it's his very first day out here in the jungle. And as you can see, he's having a little bit of a tough time. Well, listen, no skip is ever left behind. We're going to help him out. You all need to follow my lead. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Don't look back. Anyways, over here to my left-hand side, we have the two besties of the jungle. We have Ginger and we have Smiley. Now just be careful with Ginger. Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's a tough cookie. She really is. All right, now everybody, we all need to lean this way, or we're all going to go completely underwater. Everybody lean.
Yeah.
Lean, 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 lean. I was going to say we can do better than that. Let's go. Lean, 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 lean,
We're
lean.
leaning. We're all leaning.
Well, that was close. Thanks for leaning on me. So, you might be wondering how I landed this job because I'm really annoying. Don't worry. Not well. I'm just kidding. I took a crash course. And here we are in the Great Hippopotamus Pool, and as you can tell, these are beautiful creatures. We just need to be very careful. careful because they can be very dangerous.
Oh!
Couple fireworks. Well, listen, I think if we all work together, we can scare the noise. On a count of 3, I need everyone to scream. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job, my friends. So let's get out of here before they come back. Now, every time I see my dear skipper mom, she loves to remind me that my job is so easy, a monkey can do it. And I go, Mom, that is ridiculous. A monkey would never be able to drive a boat. You think those are chips? Does anyone know the difference between a monkey and a chip? No? You know what? It's a long tail. Not going to get into it. But over here to my right-hand side, we have the science department. They're setting up the beautiful monarchs of the jungle. Now, listen, I love butterflies, but in my humble opinion, they're just not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Alright, my friends, we are now approaching the very thing we've all been waiting for. I need everybody to put your hands together for the wonder of the world. Give it up for the backside
of water! Yeah! Backside of water! Woo!
Now let me hear everybody go. O2H! O2H!
O2H! O2H!
Oh, you guys are lucky. I only say that joke periodically. But anyways, here we are in the main con river. I don't know about you guys, but this is kind of making me nervous. So I think I'm going to go take my 20-minute break. So if y'all need anything, just let her know. Alright, she's going to be in charge. She's not even paying attention, but she's in charge.
I thought we were shooting at first, like, is it a spooky tiger? Beautiful creatures, so feel free to take as many photos as you would like. They are decent. They do have their trunks on. Oh, just make sure my little one all the way in the back is always seated. Thank you. And over here to my left-hand side, we have a baby elephant playing under a full moon. How beautiful is that? Now these elephants right behind me, they're super playful. They like to spray boats, but don't worry, they only spray the boats if it's a Tuesday night, so... Oh, everybody duck! Oh, sorry, I thought he saw a duck. I got really excited. Ducks are my favorite animal of the jungle. Alright, my friends, we have laughed together. Cry together. Cry together.
We have very nearly died together. So I don't know about you guys, but I think that kind of makes us like a family. What do you guys think?
Yeah, pretty much.
I think so too. But I think we could all agree that like any other family in the Magic Kingdom, that 10 to 12 minutes is all we need with one another. So I'm going to start wrapping things up over here. Over here on my right hand side, we have Trader Sam's Lost and Found. Oh, sorry. Did I say Lost and Found? I totally meant gift shop. Well, we definitely don't resell lost items for profit because that would be really unethical. Alright? Now, my friends, please make sure to remain seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, supervise your children. Now, we're going to be making 2 big pit stops. Skipper Rachel over here, she's going to rope off this boat.
Rope,
hey, Skipper
rope,
Rachel, how long have you been
yeah.
roping